So previous video I already created an application to send out the broadcast message, and we already created one receiver which can have an intense filter with the same accent string, so that it's going to send out broadcast, and it's going to send to this receiver. It's going to call to on receive method and toast a message already. And please, if you haven't watched my previous video, please watch the previous one, because this one is gonna base on the previous concepts. Okay, and right now the concept is this way. So we are running, our device is running. Okay, our device, this one is our device. Okay, our device is running. Okay, this is our device. Our device is running. Our device is running Android operating system. Okay, Android operating system, and Android operating system itself can broadcast many different kinds of messages outside. Let's just give an example. Let's say if we plug in the power cable, okay, it's going to send out an event which is power on. Okay, let's say which is power on. Okay, and similarly, if we unplug this cable, it's gonna show and raise another event which is power off. Okay, power off. Okay, or you may have a lot of other events happening to it. Let's say before the device is shutting down, or after the device is started, or a lot of other events. They are going to be broadcast outside, and we can create the receiver. Okay, we can receive this kind of activity. Okay, we can receive this kind of this kind of action string, and do some processing inside it. Okay, this one is called system events, receiving system events or system broadcasts. Okay, so we're going to continue from previous application. I'm gonna continue from previous application now. This application. Okay, so the previous application we coded the broadcast receiver already, and in that broadcast receiver we specify an intense filter. We can filter the how to say, react to this kind of action. And this time I'm going to also declare it can react to another kind of action using Android name, and this kind of action is called power disconnected. Okay, system power disconnected, or power connected, or action shutdown, or so on and so forth. And this time we're going to work on action power disconnected. Okay, so when this one is system action. Okay, so when it is disconnected from the system, when it's disconnected from the system, it is going to when it is disconnected from the so when the power is disconnected from the system going to send a broadcast message, and this receiver is going to be able to receive that kind of messages. And when it receives, it's going to call to on receive method. Okay, and on receive method you want to have string action, get the string action, and it's gonna toast a message about the action. Now is gonna be this action. So let's us reinstall this receiver. Okay, click on this button and reinstall the receiver. Okay, and if you click on run, it's successfully installed already. Then if we run the previous application, which is broadcast sender from previous video, if you click on this send, okay, it's detected this custom action. Okay, I want to click several times so that you'll see it's detected this custom action. Okay, and then right now I'm going to simulate the power on, power off. So I'm going to move the simulator here, move Android Studio here, and I'm gonna click on terminal. Okay, from this terminal, make sure that you already added ADB to your environment. And if you don't know how to add ADB to your environment, please go Google how to add ADB to the environment for Mac or Windows correspondingly. So I already have my ADB. See, so if I click on OK, it's show me something like this. So I'm going to use Telnet. Okay, I'm going to use Telnet to connect to this simulator. Okay, so Telnet connect to this simulator. It's running in my local host. Okay, running in my local host, and from this local host, I'm going to connect to this port. The port that it is running is 5554. Remember this port. So localhost 5554. Okay, then now it's connected. Okay. Android console, okay, it's connected to this one already, and when it's connected to this one already, I can use this command line, let's say power off. Okay, so you'll see currently you'll see this icon which means power on already, so I can click on power off, and when I click on power off, the operating system going to broadcast. Okay, when it broadcasts, click on home. Okay, when it broadcasts, it's going to toast a message. So now we're gonna click on this one, enter. Okay, that subcommand. Okay, this one is we must show AC charging state. Okay, set the AC charging state. So this one is gonna say power AC off. Okay, enter. See, it's toasted a message which is action power disconnected here, which is our action here. This action. Okay, which is this action that I am gonna drag this one in. Okay, so it is this action. Okay, it is action action power disconnected. Okay, now it's disconnected. Now see this icon. So I'm gonna do the power AC on to turn it on first. Okay, and of course it's on. It's not. It's gonna react because it's on. It's on. One type power AC off again. Enter. So it's detected. So this one is about receiving system broadcast. Okay, system broadcast. You can receive other kinds of events as well.